This is a 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, heated seats, 9 strategically placed speakers, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a chrome grille, tinted glass, dusk sensing headlights, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Arlington Heights Ford is located at 801 West Dundee Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois, only 5 minutes north of the Woodfield Mall. #1 in what matters most.